Welcome, welcome. So today I just thought I'd do something a little bit different. I wanted to share with you what I do when the weather finally gets a little warmer here in Canada, and how I make the most of, this side of the world. And right now I'm in a town, near to a town, not really in, but near to a town called Bancroft in Ontario, and I'm right on the lake, and this is like my happy place, guys. I just want to show you what it looks like, and just come with me on a little stroll here. So this is where we are, right on the water, and of course it's a little cold yet. Like today's 16 degrees Celsius or 60 Fahrenheit, and this is about the warmest we've had for the year so far, guys. And we're almost in May, so it's kind of winter been clinging on a little bit too tight for my liking, but this is a beautiful spot, I'm sure you'll agree. And if you listen carefully, you might hear some loons in the background. I love the sound of them. And this actually, the property belongs to a friend of mine, and so it's just a pleasure and a blessing to be able to come here and to enjoy this view. And yeah, of course nobody's going in the water. It's like ice, but that happens later on, like right in the summer. And if you can look here, you'll see that their deck for their boat is not in the water yet. Times are a little too cold for that. And come with me here a little further. This is really fun though, and this is down, it's all wood right out, and you can just walk out and go down a ladder into the lake. Pretty much July and August for that, sometimes September if you're lucky. And yeah, so that's why there's all these ropes, because the deck is still up. But normally you can just, as I say, step right out there, and when the water is warm enough you sit down and put your feet in. But look guys, isn't this gorgeous? Really pretty place. Really pretty place. Right now the water is still. When the wind comes up you get a little bit of that ripple water. And of course when it's summertime it's a lot more noisy because of the boats sometimes are out there. But that's it. That is a little bit of, ouch, nearly popped me. Yeah, that's a little bit of the view, guys. And this is what I do. Like, it's just not much of a information video today. It's just a little snapshot of what I'm doing this weekend. And I'm having a ball. I love this. This is peace itself. And sometimes you just have to get away from the rat race and the hustle and bustle and just take in the nature and enjoy some sunshine. One of you said to me the other day, "Lord, please get some sun." Trust me, I know, I need it, and I'm loving it this weekend. So I just thought I'd let you guys in on what I'm up to. So let me know what you're doing with this lovely weekend. I mean, some of you are in Jamaica, which is pretty much always a lovely weekend. But wherever you are, share what you like to do. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Something different today from Country White Jamaican. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Another informative video coming soon. All right? One love.